Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to The Cooking Show. Today, on my right here, I have the Jack, and on the left, I have the Joe. Today, they're going to be cooking for me some steak that is surely going to be marvelous. Alright, gentlemen, good luck. Here we have Joe. He's checking the oven to see if there's anything in it. All clear, action. And here we have Jack. He's not even going to bother to check the oven. That is not okay. Cooking up his famous food using a perfect amount of grease. Perfection. And here we have Jack beginning his work on the stove. He's pouring some grease in. It's an absolutely excessive amount of grease. And now he's started a fire. What an absolute travesty. There is no fire extinguisher near Jack in any way, shape, or form. This can only lead to disaster. Awesome. Fire! Here we have Jack cooking up his food. Unfortunately for Jack, he did not roll up his sleeves, and now his sleeve has caught on fire. It is just a mess for the poor chef. And even worse, he's going to wash his hands. When you wash a grease fire, it only makes the fire worse. Outstanding.
Right here, Joe's checking the stove to make sure it's all good. He's using the proper amount of grease, not too much. He has a way to extinguish the fire when needed, and he rolls up his sleeves when he's cooking and washes his hands out.